On. What are you doing? Was he still laying in bed, laying on the couch again? There's Randy laying on the couch.
What?
There.
Two ladies up here that are gonna be all over you about that sign.
We'll take him on to Mom's house. That's not gonna be fun. She'll be living at Mom's house.
Prepares to try again after a 2-year hiatus. I decided I better bring in the best in the business. I'm not exactly objective here, but I'm talking about my wife Robin and her
Love you, Molly.
exclusive medical expert, Harvard-educated, board-certified dermatologist, Dr. Jessica Wood.
Robin McGraw Revelation is not just a skincare line, it's a lifestyle brand. And together, Dr. Wu and I have worked hand in hand because I wanted
Molly.
the best and most effective product.
I hope you have fun at Mom's house, Molly. You think you will, Molly? Molly?
That's available without a prescription.
You okay, baby? Molly?
When you're talking about the active ingredients in here, you're taking up to the line as far as it'll go without having to go to the doctor to get a prescription.
You okay, Molly?
Now, Robin is too modest to say so, but I've seen the research and their marketing firm.
She's lazy. What's she laying there for?
Because they say whatever she
won't be doing that at your mom's.
they want something.
How's that?
She just won't.
Sure about that?
Contrary to what the tabloid reports say, Robin has never had a facelift of any kind ever. And April, you want some of that, right?
Oh, I would love to have my skin look like Robin. So, April, I understand that you want a Valentine.
She needs love. Molly needs love more.
It's important to feel good on the inside, but it's also important to get you ready on the outside. And I have worked with a certain pharmacist that I just think is brilliant to design various formulas and compounds to maintain healthy skin. And when we joined forces with Dr. Wu, I have to say it was one of those moments.
Love you, Molly. You're a good girl, Molly. I love you, Molly.
Lightning in
I'm gonna miss you, Molly. I'm gonna miss you, Molly.
April, you
You know that I'm gonna miss you, Molly.
know
She gonna miss me too?
now you have some skin damage,
Huh?
you have some dark
She'll be
spots,
fine.
you have some
She gonna miss me? She gonna miss us?
well, we have the
Hmm?
perfect product for you that I think you're just gonna love. I have the perfect duo that can take you to a whole new level of healthy, beautiful skin. I call this set the Repair and Refresh
Well, she's doing just fine, ain't she? Ain't she just doing just fine here, ain't she?
Amazing Serum and my Hydra Quench.
She's fine, but she'll be happier there too.
I thought she was happy here.
If she's not happy there, we'll bring her back.
Then she almost come on Toko or Tiny. That's the thing. That's what her deal. No, that's what her deal, right? That's what her deal, right? Coco. What's honey? Honey? There you go. There's Coco. Mama's take this dog too. That'll be bad. We won't be seeing her anymore. That'll be bad news there. Don't want to lose. Don't want to lose.
That youthful skin you're looking for.
So how's that sound? It work?
Those two products sound perfect for me.
65-year-old Rini, she has been using Robin's Welcome Back Youth and Hydra Quench for about 6 weeks, right? You've been doing this.
I love them.
Well, let's take a look at your before and after pictures, because this is really good. I mean, seriously.
I love you. I love Tiny too. I'm a baby girl.
I have the Welcome Back Youth because I put it on before I put my makeup on, knowing that it's going to work on my lines because it does, and it's also starting to make my
Molly.
little discolorations on my face, as you can see in that first picture. And I put on the Hydra Quench, and it just kind of like just fills my skin up again with just moisture. It's just
Feel like I'm in a slumber place. Okay, Rini, thank you. Products are not just for women of a certain age, they are for all women. In our audience, we have 26-year-old Andrea who
Molly, I love you.
use Robin's products.
well. First of all, I want to say, Robin, you are a huge.
Coco's looking at herself again. She's looking at herself. Yeah, she's looking.
What drew me
Oh.
in the first place, and Dr.
Sweet little dog of love.
Wu, a dermatologist to the
I'm gonna miss you, Mom. I'm gonna miss you, Molly.
I want
I hope you miss me. I miss you, Molly.
But I do actually have a couple different issues with my skin. And first, my expression lines, they are so deep if I don't hydrate them properly. They almost are wrinkles of an elderly woman. I have shown people pictures of stories I don't take proper care. And I also have sunspots because I don't
Hello.
sunscreen. So the products that you have with the SPF are
She's so beautiful.
wonderful. I don't even have to remember to put
Surprise, you're on camera.
it's already there. All I have to do is remember to put it on.
You are a perfect example of why we started creating this too early to start taking care of your skin. I started taking care of my skin in my 20s and really picked it up in my 30s when I lost my mother at such a
Dear
young
dog.
age. Thank you so much.
Come on, Coco. You okay, Coco?
You know, I think it's time that we find your Valentine. So to get you started with your great skin, you don't need to
Hi, Molly. I miss you, Molly. I love you so much. I miss you very much, Molly.
repair and refresh
She's a dog.
your own. So
Show Molly's not missing me, right? Huh? Ain't Molly gonna miss you too? Huh?
And audience, Robin hasn't forgotten about you because you're all going home with your own repair and replacement.
Boop, 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 boop. What's Honey at? Molly?
I designed this bow ring that I'm wearing here today a long time ago, and it was a gift to honor me for making
Mm-hmm. Money right here.
take care of myself so I could take care of those I love. And I also have one made for all of the women in my life who also I am proud of for taking care of themselves.
I'm sorry, Molly. So sorry, Molly.
I feel like you have all become my new good friends.
Love you, Molly. You know I love you, right, Molly? I love you very much, Molly.
Home, a bow ring of your own.
And for Valentine's Day, you have something special for everybody, right?
Yes, yes, for the
Now she's licking herself. She's licking herself.
of February. Anyone that will go to RobinMcGrawRevelation.com will see that the bow ring is offered for 50% off.
And it's only available at RobinMcGrawRevelation.com, and now it's available for worldwide shipping as well. And everybody here in the audience is going home with the repair and refresh set and Robin's bow ring. You can order a repair and refresh set or any of Robin's 14 products in her luxury skincare collection at RobinMcGrawRevelation.com, and you can get your own bow ring. I may start wearing these myself. I don't know. We'll see you next time. Thanks.
What are they doing there?
Tormenting people.
The police were called and all three were escorted off the aircraft. Now, TMZ obtained footage of the incident, and here's what Danielle told us about what happened on board. We also reached out to Spirit Airlines, who gave us the following statement. Police removed 3 passengers from Spirit Flight 310 during the boarding process at LAX Monday night following an altercation. The customers were refunded and refused service. I hope Barbara listens to what I told her. I am sincerely rooting for them, and I wish them the best going forward.
Well, I gotta go eat today. I'll see you guys later. I gotta eat. Where's Tiny at? Tiny! There's Tiny right there. There's Tiny right there. There he is. Tiny! Tiny! What was that? Hey, Tiny, what you doing, dog? I love you, Tiny. Love you, dog. Love you. Stay healthy. Don't freeze.
They're showing that vagina.
What?
Come here.